Unraveling the phrase, giving a wide berth. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on the expression, giving a wide berth. If you've ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means or how to use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can incorporate it into your English language arsenal. The phrase, giving a wide berth, is used to describe the action of staying far away from something or someone to avoid trouble, danger, or simply to maintain distance. The word, berth, in this context refers to a safe or allocated space. Originally, this term was used in nautical contexts, meaning to steer a ship far enough away from something to avoid collision. Today, it's used more broadly to indicate keeping a safe or respectful distance in various situations. To fully appreciate the phrase, it's helpful to understand its origins. Giving a wide berth comes from the world of sailing and maritime navigation. In the past, when ships were navigating through crowded or hazardous waters, captains were advised to give a wide berth around obstacles to prevent accidents. This practical nautical advice has since evolved into a metaphorical expression used in everyday language. Incorporating giving a wide berth into your language is simple once you understand its context. It can be used both literally and metaphorically. Here are a few examples. Literally, when hiking in the woods, it's wise to give a wide berth to any wild animals you encounter. Metaphorically, I've been giving a wide berth to the topic of politics at family gatherings to avoid arguments. Remember, using this phrase adds a layer of sophistication to your language and allows you to convey caution or avoidance in a nuanced way. Now that you know what it means to give something a wide berth, it's time to practice using it. Try forming sentences or even a short paragraph using this phrase. You could describe a situation where you had to give a wide berth to someone or something, either in a literal sense, like avoiding a dangerous area, or metaphorically, such as steering clear of a controversial topic. We hope this video has shed light on the interesting phrase, giving a wide berth, and how it can be used in various contexts. English is full of intriguing idioms like this, and mastering them will not only enhance your vocabulary but also make your conversations more colorful and engaging. If you found this video helpful, remember to practice what you've learned and incorporate it into your daily English usage. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language.